Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Infinite Painter for free. I've been using Infinite Painter for almost 5 years and let me tell you, I never paid for it. I started my digital drawing journey on my mobile device using Infinite Painter and I gotta say, I have found it to be one of the best apps. Now I want to share with you my secrets to using it for free. Okay, let me tell you, I don't use any Mode APK version. I use Infinite Painter that is downloaded from Play Store, which is safe to use. Okay, when you open Infinite Painter, you first see this pop-up and it says here that your trial is going to end tomorrow, or it might say that your trial is going to end in 3 days, 5 days, 4 days, whatever it is. If you want to unlock it right now, then go back. Go to Settings, go to Apps and Notification, search Infinite Painter, proceed to Infinite Painter. You will see the option of storage here. Proceed to storage and then you need to clear the storage here. When you're done with clearing the storage, go back. Open Infinite Painter again. You will see a white background with some instructions. Clear it, go back. Open any project. Try to use any premium feature. Let's say I'm going to use this premium tool. A top-up appears and it says that you have to pay for it or you can use 7-day free trial. Click on 7-day free trial and then try to use it again and now you're able to use this premium tool. Yay! One thing to note is that when you access the brushes panel, you will see all your favorite brushes are still there and you will also see your customized brush and all your downloaded brush as well. Means nothing is changed. And when you exit, you will see all your projects are intact and accessible. So this is the method I've been using for almost 5 years and I've been using Infinite Painter for free and it works 100% for all Android user. So let's become tension-free and start our creative journey now without any fear. Like, share and subscribe.